Oh, yes! Big green. Hell yeah. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Let's go ahead and pick them up. Wow. Oh, nice red belly and a ringneck. Man, that is 2 more snakes. Alright, let's see what's under these next couple rocks. Oh, another! Whoa! Look at that. Huh. This one's doing the side-to-side head bob, and it's another big gravid female. Oh, that's a nice red belly. Oh, there's 2. Hello? Hello? Man, look at that. That's awesome. Finally starting to get in some numbers. Oh, wow. A tiny little milk snake and a garter. That's funny. Just your average kind of dark-colored milk snake.